How you doing? I'm Lucas from Mann, and I want to talk about the Packout Dolly that I built for all my Packout toolboxes. Last year at NPS 18, Milwaukee announced that they were going to come out with, and they had it available to play with, a dolly system for all their Packout toolboxes, which was a widely demanded or widely requested product because the only wheeled Packout box is the large bottom box. It's been a year. It's still not available. So after a couple of years now of Packout being out and not having a solution for that dolly situation, KaizenInserts.com created a product, the Kaizen Connects, that would allow you to mount any Packout box to a surface of your choosing. And that product is 2 HDPE machined feet, which are mounted 10 inches on center. They're pre-drilled, mounted 10 inches on center, and an optional clip. And the idea with this is you can mount these 3 pieces or these 2 pieces to any wall, any vertical surface, a flat surface, a van, a truck. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to build a dolly for all of my smaller Packout boxes, because I keep the smaller boxes full of finished tools, nail guns, jigsaws, and I didn't want to be limited to that large dolly. So here's what I did. Took some 3/4 inch Baltic birch cabinet plywood. I took the small Packout toolbox, set it down, and just kind of took some rough dimensions. I actually used a spray adhesive can just because I like that radius to draw these corner radiuses out. And started to cut it. So I cut it all out, track sawed these, jigsawed that, rounded off the corners with a router, and at that point I mounted up some casters, threw a box on it, and it fit. So the size was good. I played around with it the first day with just bare wood and a couple of cheaper casters, and then ended up adding in some hand holes here. Just cut these out and again rounded over the front and the back, painted it black, and ran with some nicer rubber red casters, just because I like to keep my colors matched. The idea though is that I can now take any Packout box that I want, other than that large one, stack it right up on here, and not have to worry about it. It can roll around. Each one of these will lock independently, and the boxes will lock onto this dolly. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Say I just want to use this box today. I would normally have to carry this, and it's going to get really heavy, especially if I add 2, 3, 4 more boxes on top of it. So what I can do is I can drop it right onto my dolly and lock it in. This way, the whole assembly rolls around. It's mobile because it locks to that dolly base. I can actually just pick it up and the whole dolly comes with it, which is a really nice feature. And this allows me to stack as many as I want. Maybe I want to bring my small Packout box with some of my finished tools. Some of my Makita tools here, also in Kaizen foam. No problem. I'm just going to stack that right up on top, lock it in. An organizer full of fasteners. Stack it up, lock it in. A little SDS that's in a half-size organizer. Kaizen foam. Locked in place. Stack them, and I'm good. So now this stack right here, which normally I would have either had to put on top of the rolling one and have wasted space, or carry them individually, I now have the ability to just roll this whole thing around. And if I need to pick it upstairs or whatever, it's doable. So it's a convenience, and it's long overdue. And it's all made possible with the Kaizen Connects feet from KaizenInserts.com. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this inspired you to make your own Packout dolly or some form of Packout storage utilizing these Kaizen Connects clips. So I'll put a link to where you can buy the Kaizen Connects clips and the Kaizen inserts, those foam inserts that I use and a ton of other people use. You can also pick up a Kaizen cut kit, which makes doing those inserts a heck of a lot easier. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. And thanks for following along. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at manmade in MA. That's man with 2 N's. And thanks for watching.